YouTube, Dope Shit TV, Jay here. Little update of the bus. I'm inside. Let's check the Wi-Fi out. Perfect. Yo, let me tell you something. I added a bigger panel, 500 watt panel. This thing has not dropped since. Got the wall up. Got this up. I do have curtains in here I bought. You can see them there. Curtains, they go down, blackouts. The bus is running right now. I just flagged the fiberglass a hole in the floor. I've been waiting for that. That was like one of the final steps. But it's running. See, I got the door up for the bathroom. Got some hangers on there. Got some hangers here too. Polyurethane smoothed out. The dinette cushions are in. You know. Got another TV. That TV is gonna go up there because that part goes down. This is where people sleep. Their feet face that way. So, yes, sir. Dinette. The covers are up here, right in that bag. I just got them sewn up right now. But yeah, so the bathroom is wrapped up. You know, see the cooking area. You know. Let's see. I'll show you what I use for this door to keep it closed. Window hitches, window latches, and it opens up. Boom. I got to get some more vinyl for this door. But yeah, finish that up. You know. Look at that. No issues. Got some hooks up. Got the propane heat from a boat. You know how that goes. Got the fridge. Everything is working. Got my little agenda board. I have to close up that side. This is all up. I got the diesel heater down there. You know. I got vents put in. Vents in the floor. They're in. They're scented as well. You know, I got a couple smokers. That couch converts it to a what is this, queen size bed. See, I got the outlets with the plugs. You know, the back I'm getting ready to foam seal the inside of it, and then I'm gonna put some tint, and then I'm gonna cover it with some bulletproof glass, make it thicker, better for installation. Close this off. I have to take that out first. The AC. See the Samsung TV. Everything is here. Everything is working. I got no complaints. It's almost done at this point. I'm like 15 grand in. All hardwoods, expensive woods, you know. The magnets, you see them up there. Got little, you know, simple stuff to do, man. I'm in the final touches at this point. Solar is good. It rained for a week in New York this past week. Never ran out of power, not once. Nowhere near 50%. I think I got down to like 12.4, 12.3. You know? I gotta charge the battery, the inside, outside temperature, moisture and everything. You know I got the fan. Come on people, you guys know this. Let's go outside and just check this thing out. No smoke at all. See that? This thing runs like a beauty. I got an awning from a pop-up camper. Fits perfect directly across. I gotta fix this up here. The fucking thread came out.